Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for English Standard 5 Semester 2, and this is the Vikas Navneet workbook, and chapter number 7 is The Brave Little Kite. So we'll start with the question answers. Why was the little kite scared? So the answer is that little kite was scared because he thought he would fall. Second one, what did the big kite tell the little kite? So the answer is the big kite told the little kite that if he never tried, he would never learn to fly. Third one, write the rhyming words. So from the above paragraph, we can write the rhyming words as said, head, fly, try, all, fall. Next topic is MCQs. Write the correct option from in the box given. Right. So the first question is the big kite rose toward the dash. So the answer will be option number B, tranquil sky. Second one, the little kite. So the answer is option number C, shook himself free for flight. And the second question is write the rhyming words. So from the above paragraph, we can write the rhyming words as by, sky, and sight, flight. Now we'll see the MCQs again. One more MCQ is given. Which lines from the poem tell you that the little kite was ready for a flight? So the answer is option number A. Then the little kite's paper stared at the sight. Now we'll continue with the question answer, that is what could the big kite see? So the answer is the big kite could see the small kite rising up steadily. Next is MCQ. The little kite grew. The answer is braver, option number D. Now we'll continue with again another question, that is write the rhyming words. So from the above paragraph we can write the rhyming words as grown, alone, see, steadily. Next question is why was the little kite thrilled with pride? So the answer is the little kite was thrilled with pride because he could fly high up in the sky. Second one, what could the little kite see from the sky? So the little kite could see the boys like small spots moving around on the ground. Next MCQ is the little kite was thrilled with. So the answer is pride, option number B. Next question is write the rhyming words. So the rhyming words are pride, side, ground, round. Next question is what was there in the sky? So the answer is there were only birds and clouds in the sky. Second question is why was the little kite happy? So the answer is the little kite was happy because he was brave and he tried to fly. Next MCQ is the little kite was. So the answer is brave, option number A. Second one, there were only dash in the sky. So the answer is option number C, birds and clouds. Third one, the little kite was happy because answer is option number B, he was brave and he tried. Next question is write the rhyming words. So the answer is air, there, cried, tried. Next question is what does the birdie tell her mother? So the answer will be the birdie tells her mother to let her fly. Next question is write the rhyming words. So the answer is say, day, away. Next question, what does the mother tell the birdie? So the answer is the mother tells the birdie to rest till her wings are stronger. Next question, does the birdie rest a little longer? So the answer is yes, the birdie rests a little longer. Third one is write the rhyming words. So the rhyming words are longer, stronger. Next question, what does the baby tell her mother? So the answer is the baby tells her mother to let her rise and fly away. Next question, write the rhyming words. So in this the rhyming words are say, day, away. Next question, what does the mother tell the baby? The answer is the mother tells the baby to sleep till her limbs are stronger. Next question is write the rhyming words. So the rhyming words are longer and stronger. Next question is draw or paste a picture of Diwali celebrations. Write a short paragraph describing the picture. So in the given box you need to draw or even you can stick a picture of Diwali celebration, and the paragraph will be as follows. This is a picture of Diwali celebration. Diwali is a festival of lights. On the day of Diwali, people wear new clothes. Houses are decorated with earthen lamps and lights. People draw beautiful and colorful rangolis in their houses. Children enjoy bursting crackers at night. There is joy everywhere. Next question is write a short paragraph on Uttarayan, the festival of kites. So we have to write a paragraph for Uttarayan, and the paragraph will be like this. Uttarayan is celebrated on 14th January every year. It is also known as Makar Sankranti. People enjoy flying colorful kites. Terraces and rooftops are full of people right from the morning. There is joy all around. The sky is filled with colorful kites. Some kite lovers compete to cut the strings of their neighbors' kites. Loud music is played on terraces. People enjoy special sweets made from jaggery and til. People also enjoy eating undhiyu and jalebis. At night, people enjoy the beautiful sight of thousands of tukkals in the sky. And the next question is draw and color the following pictures. So the first one is a natural thing that can fly. So you can just draw any bird. You can even paste it if you like that. Okay. And another one is a man-made thing that can fly. So you can draw an aeroplane, or you can even draw any helicopter or anything like that. And I hope you have understood the chapter, and here your unit number 7 workbook solution ends. Thank you for watching.